Hello my friends, how you doing? My name is Saul Alonso and I'm here recording this video because I would like to invite you guys to take a look on the business that we have. We certainly are so happy that we are expanding our business all over the world, and we are actually working from home. It's a very nice concept that I'm inviting you to go ahead and see for yourself all the results that a lot of people the past 4 years they've been doing, and we are actually covering different areas, right, about the finance market, because the brand new emerging economy is just amazing. We are just talking about the cryptocurrency world. See, a lot of people right now don't know about it. Very low percentage of people are becoming to know that this is the future of the finance. So we have a really nice concept, and I'm just gonna put the video in the comments below, so you can go ahead and see for yourself, right? This great opportunity. I'm so glad, I'm so happy that I got quite of experience also. So I can tell you guys really quick that I've been, in the five companies, the last 5 projects that we had, and we learned a lot. So we have a lot of experience here in the marketplace in about, all the reference with cryptocurrency world, and also with network marketing, because we deliver the message from this company through a net, all right, the word of mouth, which is so powerful. So we are very happy to tell you that we are here for you, and if you decide to join us and to start an entrepreneurial activity, we can help you out. All right, thank you so much, and we'll see you soon in the next video, or maybe in the next video conference. Thank you.